Hey everybody, I'm Michael and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to show you how to create a domain-based email address with Bluehost. These same steps should apply if you have another website hosting company like SiteGround or WP Engine or some of those other website hosts. But today is going to be with Bluehost because I just created a tutorial on how to build an e-commerce website using WordPress, and I wanted to show you that you could actually create a custom email address with your new domain name. So I've logged into Bluehost here, and instead of coming over here to the left and clicking on this Email and Office tab, which by the way, it'll try to get you to sign up with Google Workspace for $72 a year, that is a good option for a lot of people who don't feel like messing with the headache of trying to figure out how emails work. But I'm going to show you my free way instead, which works 99.9% of the time. And this is how I do it with all of my websites. I'll come over here to the advanced link on the left hand side, and then I scroll down here in this C panel or control panel area and click on email accounts right here. Now if you don't feel like setting up a personalized email account and you would rather do a forward instead, you could go back, click on forwarders right here, and then you say, okay, all email that is sent to your email address, you could actually click add forwarder, and you would say all the emails that are sent to this address at this domain, you could forward it to another Gmail account or whatever. But with this method, you really only get to receive a copy of the email, but you can't actually send back from this email right here. So instead, what we are going to do, I'm going to click the back button, and I'm actually going to go back to this main page and click on email accounts right here. We are going to create an actual email account for our new website. So for me, I've got 500klife.com. For you, you would use your own domain name. And all you needed to do is come over here and click this blue create button. From here, you enter in the username, so whatever at. So I'm going to type in Michael at 500klife.com, and then I'm going to enter in a password, and then I'm going to come down here and click create. Now by doing it this way, you have just created your new email account, and if you were to come down here and click this check email button, you would see that it would open up the webmail login, and now you have access to your own custom email address. However, with this method, it does require you to log into your website host every time you want to check your email, and I think this is a terrible system. I wish they had an easier setup, but this is essentially how you create your very own customized email. If you want to see how to connect your email with a site like Gmail, you want to be able to send and receive from this new email that you just created, watch the very next video. I cover everything step by step on how to do it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments, but definitely check out the next video, and I will see you guys there.